We all have to get good at flying our drone somehow, so we go to places where there are obstacles to learn how to fly our drone. Okay, maybe that's not the best way to start to learn how to fly your drone. So perhaps you should go to an open area rather than a place where there are obstacles. But there is an opportunity to, ouch, that had to have hurt. And one more time. You also have to watch out when you're flying your drone, because sometimes even small obstacles can... You see, there's a wire, and the propeller blade does not like the wire on the flag. So some drones do not have side warning or side collision avoidance. This is including the Mavic Air 2, the drone that's being used in this particular video. So again, no side collision avoid. And in case you wanted to see that again, we'll do it in slow motion, and there's the landing gear coming off of the drone. While the drone is still stuck in the tree. The motors are still running. The camera is still running. So remember to shut off the motors. But luckily, I left the camera running so we could see all of this now. This was solved in any way that a person who had a drone stuck in a tree, and that tree was already dead, and that person happens to have a chainsaw. Bottom left, you can see someone coming into the frame carrying said chainsaw. Again, the camera's still running. Let's put the dog inside so that the dog doesn't get hurt in case a tree might be coming down sometime in the near future. That was from the drone's perspective. Now, from the ground's perspective, you can't quite see the drone. It is in the top of the tree that is about to be cut down. And finally, side by side, simultaneous. We all have to practice. Practice makes perfect. So with that, I'll leave you with some images of my dog trying to chase my drone. Again, great practice. Be sure to click on this video link to see drone footage over the British Virgin Islands, Jost Van Dyke, and White Bay. And of course, images on why we fly our drones in the first place.